Hello, welcome to the video walk around of the 2011 Land Rover Range Rover Sport Autobiography in metallic black finish with a 20-inch of Land Rover alloy wheels. The vehicle's got front and rear parking sensors, side steps, privacy glass, keyless entry and go, and a reversing camera, which I'm gonna demonstrate it for you shortly. Split folding rear seats. And the front view of the vehicle is got front forks and headlamp washers. Full leather Autobiography interior. The rear seats are locked. There we go. So it's got a full leather interior, as I said, as I mentioned, Autobiography Sport. It's custom made. 5 headrests, ISOFIX for child seat preparation, rear center armrest. And for your safety, it's got front side and rear airbags, rear heated seats. It's got twin electric seats with electric lumbar support and a memory driver side, electric windows and folding mirrors, auto headlights, automatic transmission, a push button to start, a multifunction steering wheel with the cruise control on the left hand side and the voice commands on the right hand side. It's got heated steering wheel as well, paddle shifts, height and terrain adjustments, some cup holders in the middle, air conditioning with a dual zone climate control, front heated seats. There we have the reversing camera. Then it's got touchscreen satellite navigation, Bluetooth hands-free connectivity, DAV radio, hybrid TV.
Before they ever get started.
By the way, it's got Harman Kardon Logic 7 sound system on the vehicle. And then it's got a center armrest with the USB and iPod connectivities in there, a refrigerator, and a passenger side and driver side armrests, auto rear view dimming mirror, some storage departments. In the glove box we have the user manual. As you can see, it's got the Autobiography Sport written on it. This was the video walk around of the 2011 Land Rover Range Rover Sport Autobiography. To book a test drive or for any further information, please give us a call. Thanks for watching.